Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about 5 work-from-home hustles that you can start in 2023 and make over $500 per day. So, if you're looking to earn some extra cash or maybe start your own online business, keep watching this video. Also check the description of this video for wealth music and forex signals. The first hustle on our list is online tutoring. If you have a passion for teaching and have expertise in any subject, you can start teaching online. You can work with online tutoring platforms or create your own courses and sell them on websites like Udemy or Skillshare. You can make up to $50 per hour, and if you work for more hours, you can easily make over $500 per day. The second hustle on our list is becoming a virtual assistant. If you're good at administrative tasks like managing emails, scheduling appointments, or creating presentations, you can become a virtual assistant. Many entrepreneurs and small business owners are looking for virtual assistants to help them with their day-to-day tasks. You can make up to $25 to $30 per hour, and if you work for 8 hours a day, you can easily make over $200. The third hustle on our list is freelance writing. If you have a passion for writing, you can start offering your writing services on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. You can also pitch your writing to websites and blogs that are looking for freelance writers. You can make up to $100 per article, and if you can write 5 articles a day, you can easily make over $500. The fourth hustle on our list is becoming a social media manager. If you're good at social media marketing, you can offer your services to businesses or individuals who need help with their social media accounts. You can make up to $50 per hour, and if you work for 8 hours a day, you can easily make over $400. The fifth hustle on our list is starting an online store. If you have a product that you want to sell or you're good at finding profitable products, you can start your own online store. You can use platforms like Shopify or Etsy to sell your products. You can make up to $500 per day, and if you can maintain your store's profitability, you can easily make more than $500 per day. So, guys, these are the 5 work-from-home hustles that you can start in 2023 and make over $500 per day. Remember, success doesn't come overnight. You need to put in the effort and work hard to make these hustles work for you. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.